So we have done a lot of work on them to correct those problems. The cylinder head issues have been resolved. Damn it, that was my phone.
Its block, heads, the timing components, and the gasket set. We also install a Melling high volume oil pump. No, we include. Never mind, because it's not installed. Oh boy. Go. Can you hear the truck? Can you hear the truck over me talking? As many of you know, there was a bit of an issue with the original one, so we go ahead and add the new style to correct and assist in, correct in assisting those. We use graphite coated stuff. We include a Melling high volume oil pump with these units as well. We do use a brand new upgraded tensioner chain design tensioner guide. And ultimately eliminates the failure as well. Then finally, we use hyper-eutectic coated graphite pistons. And then after we make all the upgrades, we sim test it. It's also known for tensioner. My life, timing chain. It's also known for a timing chain slap failure. That's not what it is.
Yeah, no, that's.
Oh no! Timing chain slap and failure. Then finally, we install a hyper-eutectic coated graphite piston. God, every time. Hey everyone, it's Elena from Powertrain Products. Today, out in the shop, we have a 5.4 liter 2-valve Ford engine. And it also has a, lost it. Hey everyone, it's Elena from, piston slap and bore wear. We dyno test the engine before we send. Sim test. Oh God.